This is Mark from the QuickBooks team. Let's go over how to reset your QuickBooks Desktop company admin password. We'll go over how to do this for QuickBooks Desktop 2020 and for QuickBooks Desktop versions 2019 and older. To start, make sure you're in single user mode. Then, open the company file and select I forgot my password. The admin can change anything in your company file, so for extra security, you'll need to get an access token from QuickBooks in order to change the password. This is just a code you receive by email. If you're using QuickBooks 2020 or newer, select a registered email address we have on file. If you don't see your email listed, you can select Don't See Your Email in the list above. Type in your email address and select OK. QuickBooks will make sure this address is associated with your account. If it is, QuickBooks will email you the token. If you're using QuickBooks 2019 or older, fill in the license number, first and last name, email address, business phone number, and zip code you used when you registered QuickBooks. You can find your license number by pressing F2 in QuickBooks. Once we verify your information, you'll receive an email from Intuit e-commerce service with your access token. If you don't receive it within 15 minutes, check your junk mail, spam folders, and any other email accounts you may have given QuickBooks. Enter the access token from the email into the password reset access code field. Select OK or Next to continue. Now you're ready to reset your password. Make sure to create a complex password with at least 7 characters and include at least 1 number and 1 uppercase letter. For QuickBooks 2019 or older, once you've created your password, choose a challenge question and answer and select OK. QuickBooks will prompt you to change your admin password every 90 days for your security. You just reset your QuickBooks Desktop admin password, enter your new password, and select OK to continue. And let's get you back into your company file. Sign into your QuickBooks Desktop company file using your new password and select OK. In rare cases, you may be prompted to change your password again. Use the password you just created as your current password and create a new complex password. You can now access your QuickBooks company file and get back to business. If you ran into any issues, please see our help article on how to reset your password for more details. Now you're ready to change your admin password in QuickBooks Desktop.